Хорошо, что ты пришла. Свобода безграничная. Как хорошо, но ты ушла. Ты стала непривычна мне. Can I lay by your side next to you?
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I know I messed up bad. I should have done better.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night, and it won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night, and it won't be long till I hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor, I got all I need. It's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head.
It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, because my dreams are bursting at the seams. Mama, come here, approach, appear. Dad, I'm alone, 'cause this house don't feel like home. I still see your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you. Oh, easier said than done. I thought you were the one listening to. Now wait for me. Please hang around. I'll see you when I fall asleep. Don't listen to a word I say. The scream.
Sorry, I ain't got no money. I'm not trying to be funny, but I left it all at home today. You can call me what you wanna. I ain't giving you $1 this time. I ain't gonna run away.
This is a nice stick. I like sticks. Pick.
Let me smash, please.
No, Ron. Go find Becky.
You want some fuck?
These friends keep talking way too much. Say I should give you up. Can't hear them, no, 'cause I've been there all night. I've been there all day.
But when I tell people my name, they still use the wrong one. I say not girl, and they give me back woman, lady, she. I say not woman, they say silly girl. It is not up to you to decide.
I'm sensing an A. Does your name begin with an A?
No. A B? No.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
Peter! My name's Peter!
Is your name Peter?
Wow, you are some kind of sorcerer.
Dad, I did it. I'm back from school. Awesome, buddy. How was your day? It was a war zone. Uh-oh. Teachers were yelling, students were yelling, and then there was me, sitting in the corner chomping on my goldfish. Oh, well, good. I'm glad you stayed out of trouble. Actually, it turns out the goldfish was the class pet, so I am in a lot of trouble.
Done. You better stop playing with me. What are you talking about? My plate is clean. Well, I'll wait right here until you finish it. There is literally nothing on my plate. Finish that plate. What is there to finish? That plate. What? Eat that plate.
I'm sorry, Mom and Dad. I know I messed up bad. I should have done